Hello, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to another edition of 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. What are we learning today?
Conferencing and its learning.
So conferencing allows for live video chatting or just text chatting between teachers and students. You can set this up for a certain amount of time, but it's a very engaging piece for students and teachers, and it allows everybody to have a voice. So in terms of assessments and action and expression, this is just another great UDL tool that we have had access to.
Nice. So you're going to go into your tree, click Add, green button, scroll down a little bit. The two people chatting right here. It's the conference button. You're going to click.
Can more than two people chat?
Yes, they can.
Excellent.
Give me a title, Nick.
Weekend.
What are you doing this? Oh, I got it spelled right. This weekend. Okay. Then down here, up here, this is a rich text editor, so you can do all the normal stuff. Down here, you can show conference in a new window or in the previous window. Conference with video and sound is up to 10 participants, so you can either do it with a small group or kids sharing computers.
All right, let's show them that.
And then text-based can have up to 50 participants.
Can you use this on an e-learning day?
Absolutely, Nick.
Excellent. And you could do a set time span, too, if you're only going to be available for a little while.
So let's go ahead and open this conference, and we have a few people that are going to be part of this conference to show you. So we're going to click Start. Make sure you allow your microphone and allow your video, and you'll come up in your little conference window. We're waiting for a couple other people. Nick, you got to click Start in the window. Here it comes. We're waiting for one more person. And we have a special guest star on this week's episode. Everyone welcome Katie Putnam. Due to all of us being in the same room, we're just going to text because of the feedback from our computers, but it's going to show you how we can use it. So, what are you doing this weekend? Nick is going to French Lick. Katie is moving. Oh, Katie changed her color. Lots of color choices. Nice. I am going to Big House. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Now let's say Nick's being really mean to Katie right now. You can highlight his name and click kick and kick him out. He's just gone. Lost his privileges. Katie's happy. You have this whisper option where you can also just talk to one person during the conference as well, which could kind of be okay. Could be an issue. Gotta just watch it. Anything else you want to say about this, Nick?
Nope. Again, another good tool. It does take some time to get used to in terms of teacher and management piece if you have a lot of students in, but overall, just another nice tool that we have access to.
Have a great weekend.
You too.